All right, we're greasing along here. Yeah.
Ew.
Fuck! We're trying to find. What are we trying to find? Like, a raging waterfall.
Well, it's supposed to like come smashing through some rock, the rock there, and just spew out, like the world is vomiting water.
Here's some water. That's for sure.
And we follow it the entire way. That's why it's so hard to find it. No, there's too many trees. But it doesn't. They all do the same thing. They all come from the mountain and train
Yeah.
all the way through.
Oh, okay. Shit! Another fucking.